and I think it's what makes us unique in the fact that we're happy to provide that after-sales support. We're in the business of making sequential prototypes effectively, and you can't just walk away from something like that. There's always a little bit of a tweak or an improvement you can find to support the customer further.
Did you know SMW Autoblok Telbrrok has a special application centre? So, Richard, what prompted you to start that department?
Well, when we became part of the SMW Autoblok family, we were recognised as being, our expertise was in special fixture manufacture. And so they asked us to establish an office to support both the group and the UK market as a whole.
Now, getting recognised as a bespoke fixture manufacturer must have been a great achievement to you guys.
It was. We've always done special fixturing. I think what we've not done is got the message out to the market. People tend to recognise us for doing standard SMW Autoblok product, or vice versa, recognise us for doing special fixtures. What we're trying to do is let the market and the group know that we can support them in their special applications.
So, what sort of processes can a customer expect from a special application?
So we offer a cradle to grave service. So from the initial inquiry, we'll go through to design, manufacture, install and support, and follow the fixture through for its life.
Now, that must be great for a customer that you're there every single step of the way.
Yeah, and I think it's what makes us unique in the fact that we're happy to provide that after-sales support. We're in the business of making sequential prototypes effectively, and you can't just walk away from something like that. There's always a little bit of a tweak or an improvement you can find to support the customer further.
Now, people might think, me included, that fixtures like this are just for the aerospace industry. But that's not really correct though, is it?
No, that's quite a common misconception, to be fair. I mean, we supply to automotive, medical, defence, nuclear, and anyone who's got a requirement for highly repeatable fixturing.
So really, these fixtures can go into any industry, any machine shop. If people are struggling, or if they're knife and forking their way through their own fixtures, why should people come and look at a fixture from you guys?
Because we offer the complete service. So you can come in with your initial inquiry, all we need to do is see a component drawing, and you need to tell us where you want to machine it, where you can hold it, and then we can design a fixture to fit your unique requirements.
So we spoke about your special applications department, but what's so special about it?
We're not offering off-the-shelf solutions. Ours are tailored specifically to meet the customer's requirements in every respect.
So really, a customer can come to you with anything. With all they need is a drawing or a CAD model, and that's all you guys need to then start that process of designing a fixture.
Exactly, yeah, and that's what makes my job so interesting. There's no two inquiries are ever the same. There's always something different. And we like to think that with our expertise and capabilities, there's not much that we can't handle.